Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for today's video. I think I've told you guys before that during the week, my house just does not get dirty enough to do like a whole entire cleaning video twice a week. So what I'm going to do over the next few days is every time that I come home from work, I'm going to get something cleaned up. I'm going to film all through the week, and then at the end of the week, I will combine all of the footage together and I will have one big cleaning video for you guys. So I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be a lot easier for me that way, that I don't have to like jam everything all into one day and try to film and edit and get it out at the same time. Also, if you hear heavy panting, that's Bodie. We just came back from inside. It's gorgeous outside today. We took two whole walks, and we played Frisbee, so he's wore out. He's going to be laying on the floor here for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, and then he's going to be ready to go out again. But I'm going to go ahead, get started here in this kitchen, and then I've got some vacuuming to do. I need to straighten up the living room and the bedroom, so I think this is going to be fun. I think it's all going to work out, so stick with me. Stay tuned. We'll have all the motivation that you need. I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get started.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, you're still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. Pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side.
Okay, you guys, so I will let you know that when I started to film this video last week, I actually started like on a Wednesday, and I didn't get too many other things done during this week because, to be honest with you, our house just didn't get that bad. I did plan on giving Bodie a bath as well, but I didn't get that done either. We just had a lot of stuff going on, but I do feel like I really enjoy doing it this way better. And the only difference is going to be with you guys is if you might see me in different clothes, because on this day I actually got a lot done. So I really only needed like 2 days to get the things done that I needed to. So it kind of worked out pretty perfectly. But I will tell you that the next thing that I'm going to be doing, it's been on my list. I kind of have like a list of things that I want to tackle, and then throughout the week and the weekend, depending on what comes up, is just, what I can get done. But I'm definitely going to be doing like a master bedroom deep clean, and I'll tell you why. So you guys know, or if you don't know, I have a blanket that I sleep with. I came home from the hospital with it, and it goes everywhere with me, and I sleep with it every night. So it had fallen back behind my bed, and I went to get it. Y'all, you have no idea how disgusting and dusty and dirty and nasty my baseboards are behind my bed. It is so bad. It's so bad. So I'm going to be doing like a full deep clean in there. I'm going to do like top to bottom, like walls, ceiling, fans, furniture, you name it, we're doing it. Carpet, curtains, baseboards, all of the above. I'm going to do it. And I'm also going to go through my drawers, like my nightstand drawer and my drawers that are in the dresser. I'm going to go through all that because honestly, I've got, 4 drawers, and 2 of them are really the only ones that I use, like where my socks and underwear are. The other ones I just don't even get into. And I know for certain there are things in there that I can just get rid of, just kind of try to declutter as much of that stuff that I can. And then I figured if I do that, then I will go ahead and pull like all of my nightgown stuff from the spare room in here where I have it in my white dresser, and then just put it in there in the bedroom. Does that make sense? Then that way I've got more room in here for other stuff. So I think that's going to be definitely the next thing that I do. So if you guys are interested, let me know if there's like other rooms that you want to do. I did have a few people tell me that they enjoy like dedicated room videos, because a lot of people, and me including, I get kind of overwhelmed with things. So if I can just do like one space or one area at a time, that way I can really focus and get much more done that way. Because when I do just like a regular cleaning of my bedroom, all I really do is like make sure that the comforter and the sheets and all that stuff is clean and everything's picked up out of the floor, and a vacuum and a dust. That's pretty much the extent of it, but there's so many more things that need to be done in there. It's just so gross. It is so gross. But I also got Rosie out, and I let her do her thing just to kind of go behind me and do like a double vacuum. I figured, it could not hurt, only help. So she did her thing around the house and went right back to sleep, and she was full. So apparently there were some things that I did miss. She does get underneath things that I can't get underneath with the vacuum, but I desperately do need to utilize her more than I do, because I feel like I don't get her out as often that I used to, and it's really a lifesaver, to be honest with you. Like if I could set it up to go ahead and vacuum like right before I get home, that would be amazing. There is an app on my phone for it, but I've not gone in there and just like mapped out my house like you're supposed to. That way she knows where to go. So that's probably something that I'm going to be doing this weekend.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
So I actually thought it was pretty funny when the vacuum cleaner got Buddy in the back of the leg. That's why I left that clip in there. It's so hysterical because every time I do have Rosie out, you see him just like get up. He'll get up. If he's laying somewhere, he gets up and he moves and he lays back down and then she comes right for him. It's literally like he's got a magnet on him that she is just obsessed with. He just looks at me like, can you please just do something with this? It is so funny. It just cracks me up. So, yeah. Anyway, you guys know that I was just talking about doing the whole bedroom thing. And, okay, since we are going to be doing the floors and stuff like that, probably a new bedroom suit is going to have to go on the back burner for a little bit. But I was thinking I can, make it look a little bit better in here. So the curtains that I have now, they claimed on the packaging they were blackout curtains. They clearly are not. I mean, every bit of light comes in those things. So it kind of made me mad. Anyway, and I don't like the fact that they're like shiny. I don't know. They're just not my favorite. So I've been looking online and I want to kind of do like maybe like a little boho westerny type feel. I don't know if that makes any sense. I did find a comforter set with the sheets and everything. It is the cutest daggone thing I've ever seen, but it's like $200. I don't know. Like if y'all spend $200 on your bedding, that's fine. But I'm not doing that. So I've been trying to find alternatives. And then I'm like, okay, I really want to do new curtains and all that stuff. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll just figure it out. But for now, I'm just going to kind of do like the aesthetic part of it, just things that you can see. Also, I think a couple videos back, I was talking about the doorknobs and doing the black doorknobs. I did find some that I really like, and it's weird because they actually kind of look like the front door handles. They're really cute. Anyway, I've got them in my basket on Amazon. So the closer we get to do all of that, like the painting and all that stuff, I will definitely be getting those and switching all of them out. I think it's just going to make it look so much better and so much nicer. I don't know. I'm really excited. Also, those jeans right there I got from Sam's. They are Levi's. They were $40. And here's the thing. I have like a whole vlog about it, but guess what? That's not finished. Anyway, the thing that I really get annoyed with is because they do their jeans like in numbers. Well, obviously they're all in numbers. That's stupid. But like, okay, say you wear a size 8, whatever. I mean, they've got like 29, 30, 31, 32. Like, I don't know what that is. I had to sit there in Sam's, get my phone out and Google it. Like, if I wear a blank size in jeans, what is that going to be in Levi? I felt so dumb. Anyway, so I kind of guesstimated at it, and when I got home, I tried them on, and they pretty much fit perfectly. So I was really excited about that. I also got a really cute little Banana Republic sweater. She's so soft, and I love, love, love it. So that's probably going to be my outfit for the hockey game for this weekend. I'm getting out there. I'm doing all the things. We went on a little day date. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. Ruben and I went out somewhere here locally that they let you like throw axes. It was actually really, really fun. I worked up a damn sweat. I'll tell you that much. The place, like the room was fairly small, so there's not many, people in there, but my Lord. I mean, I worked out some muscles I didn't even know I had. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have for this video. I really appreciate you guys coming by and watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button before you go. But I'll see you in the next one. I love you and appreciate you. Bye.
We can't get lost in time.